Zimbabwe's ambassador to Mozambique and the Kingdom of Eswatini, Victor Matemadanda, has died. The news was confirmed on Sunday by Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Service, Nick Mangwana. Zarabena Mashukubra Pangwa in an the whole country, the whole nation is in shock after receiving now the Kupasa on Kwaita Victor Matemadanda. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timda Painda Ukushkona Mdanyura Chiti. I've just heard that the Zimbabwean ambassador in Mozambique, Victor Matemadanda, has died. He was a man who lived a colorful and complex life, at times standing with the people, and at other times pursuing the interests of the regime when it suited him. Such is often the nature of Zimbabwean politics. Yet when people pass away, our first duty is to mourn them and to reflect on the lives they lived. In most cases, we remember those moments, actions, or words that resonated most deeply with us. For me, this interview, more than 10 years ago, was one of those moments. It was the point at which I took particular notice of Mr. Matemadanda as a politician, political activist, war veteran, and influential figure within ZANU-PF. In it, he spoke about issues that resonated with me and with millions of other Zimbabweans. The tragedy, however, is that when his faction eventually gained control of government, it went on to do the very opposite of what he was advocating in this interview. That contradiction remains one of the enduring lessons of Zimbabwean politics. It is an interview that every Zimbabwean should listen to and reflect upon. May his soul rest in peace. My sincere condolences to his family, friends, and all those who knew and loved him. Global developments are kubira pangwa ino aiwa nawo ya Matemadanda iri kushoka nyika yese yeZimbabwe. Pena comment section medu dzafungire enyu kuti kudipa msoro pichitwechi. Sonso subscribe or like pa channel tonga bell icon.